Hi, today we're going to be showing you what I got from the mall. First off, I got a giant poppet. It's a hexagon poppet. Next is I got this butterfly dimple. Next one I got already opened. It's a simple dimple. I also got this from the Kawaii store. I don't know what it's called, but it's silverware. Next thing I got from the candy store, and can we review it on the next video? Pop! And I got pop tubes. I got a green one and a red one. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, I got this from FYE. I have the kitty, what do you call it? What's again? Kitty needle balls. I got a purple one. Yeah, let's open the purple one. Hold on. Okay, got it open. Here's the pink one. They're so cute. And that's all I got. Bye. See you in the next video.